Let's see how to send SMS to a Facebook lead. So that means when a particular Facebook lead fill out your lead form, how to send an SMS, and also we will see how to implement AI capabilities to the SMS. So suppose if they actually reply to that particular SMS, we will see how to use AI to handle those responses as well. So I'm going to show everything from the scratch. So let's get started over here. So first of all, we have to actually decide what sort of SMS we want to actually send to the customer. Even before that, we have to actually create a lead form. So when you actually set up a Facebook ad over here, and if you choose the lead campaign or the campaign objective as leads over here, you will be actually provided an option to create a lead form as well. Otherwise, you can also create your lead form within the Meta Business Suite as well. So here we have few lead forms right here. So let me simply create a new form first of all. So here let me create click on create form, duplicate the existing form. So let me simply name that form. Let me actually duplicate this text form 9 over here and create a new one. So here let me name that form as test form 10 right here. All right, and let me simply create the form. So here in this form we simply ask the customers for their name, email and phone number. So it's a very simple form. So let me show that over here. So this is the first page, and when we will ask for their email, full name and also the phone numbers. That's it. So that's a very simple form. The form is actually created right here. So now when they actually submit, when a particular lead submits some sort of information right here, we want to send them an SMS. So here let me go to the account over here. So here we are in the flow section right here. So let's create a new flow. So let me name this as SMS FB lead form. So here you can actually decide what sort of message you want to send to those people who actually fill out your lead form. So let's choose we want to send the SMS. So let's choose the SMS right here, and let's send this sort of message. Here I created a simple SMS text sending them a message. Thanks, you are all set. If you have any further questions, please let us know. Very simple SMS message over here. And let's say when a particular customer respond to this particular SMS, we want to handle their responses using AI as well. So for that, you have to use the OpenAI ChatGPT integration right here. And here we have a few prompt templates as well. So you can actually create your own templates right here as well. So let's choose CB Plumbing Corporation. Let's use the business information related to a plumbing corporation right here. So when a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it simply respond to this to the customer based on the business information we already have here. So for that, you can simply use click on edit over here, and here in prompts just choose that particular CBB Plumbing Corporation right here, and here you can keep as it is over here and click continue. And make sure you also switch this on as well, so that whenever a particular customer asks some sort of questions, it simply use the prompt template right here to answer the customer responses as well. So we have actually set that one as well. So now we want to actually connect this particular lead form right here with the chatbot platform over here. So let's go to the tools right here. So in tools, you have the option Facebook Leads Ads Automation. So choose that one, and let's create a new form or new automation, chatting media. So that's the page, and here you have to choose the form test form 10 right here, and the email will be saved as the email, full name, phone number, and also we want to send the flow. So which flow? SMS FB lead form. So that's a flow we actually created. So this message will be sent to the customer as soon as they submit a lead form. So let me choose that one and click continue. So we have actually created this test form over here, and the flow is this one, and we don't have any leads yet. So we can actually quickly test this one of how this actually looks like. And before that, let me go to the contacts tab over here. So what happens is that when a particular lead submits some sort of information right here, a new contact also will be created as well. So let me show that how this actually works. So for that, let's do a quick test right here. So click on it and click on test form over here. So here I put the contact information, email as test@gmail, and full name as Mark Rob, and also the phone number, this one. So let me click next over here and submit, and it's already submitted as well. So let's see what sort of SMS we have actually received over here. So if I share my phone screen right here, I already received the SMS. Thanks, you are all set. If you have any questions, please let us know. So as you see here, the SMS is sent to this particular contact, and you can even jump in and send SMS to the customer as well. And if you remember, we actually choose this particular template, prompt template, to handle customer's question. So here, if I ask a question right here, what is your name, and it should say CBBAI. So here I am replying to the particular SMS we received after we submit the Facebook lead ad form. And let me ask this question: what is your name? When I ask what is your name, it simply respond to the customer saying, I'm an assistant to this particular corporation. If you need any assistant, please provide these sort of details as well. So here you can ask any sort of questions right here. So let me ask, where are you located, or something like that. Where are you located? So this should actually provide me the address right here, 2341 McDonald Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. So let's see what sort of responses we actually are receiving here. And it's simply provide us with the address right here. And here let's ask about the services. So let me ask, do you provide heating services or something like that? So let me ask this question right here and see how these actually respond to us over here. So this is actually, these responses are generated using the AI based on the business information we have actually provided over here. And it says yes, we provide heating, those kind of over here. And so this particular company actually serves in the New York City only, and as you see here, only these areas. So let me ask, do you serve in Texas? So it should say we are not providing any sort of services in that particular area. So let's see how this actually respond to me over here. And see, I'm sorry, but we currently provide plumbing services exclusive in the New York City, and it simply respond to us right here. So another thing is that, as you see here, every conversation is tracked in this omnichannel inbox, as you see here. And here an agent can simply jump in and talk with the customer as well. And as you see here, currently it says the bot is active. So if a particular agent manually send a message from the omnichannel inbox right here, so let me simply say hi 8, and it's simply the bot active is gone already over here, and the customer will receive the same message as you see here. And now if a particular customer send any sort of messages, so let's see, if I send the same message over here, the customer won't receive any sort of response back, because currently the chatbot is handled by a human agent. So here, if we go to the human folder, we should see that particular chat over here. Once the particular chat is transferred back to the bot, so if I click on that one, transfer to the bot, and we can track that particular conversation from here. Now we can actually, if I ask the same question right here, the chatbot will get activated, and it simply respond to the customer as well. So there is a very effective way to handle the customer responses using the AI or the human agent. So what happens is that when a particular human agent jump in and chat with a customer, then that particular conversation will be automatically assigned to them, and chatbot will be automatically stopped as well. So that's how this actually works. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.